Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for May 15th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving two classic Sudoku by Bill Murphy. First one is called Who Put a Nickel in You? And the second one is called We Don't Fight at Weddings. Song titles again, I'm not familiar with either of these, but yeah. Normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 each row, column, and 3x3 box. And that's it. So let's get started in this one. I actually tested these in the opposite order and ended up solving this one about 2 minutes faster than the other one. And I think it's just because of how I was solving it. I immediately noticed this is a naked single. It's a 9 because it sees 1, 2, 3, 4 in the column, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the row. And we have the same sort of thing in row 1 and column 9. The only digit this can be is a 5. And that kind of gets you going here. This must be a 5 in the top band. There's a 5 in one of those, a 4 in one of those, 5 here. 5's in one of these. 7 here from these 7s. And this must be 6 and 8. We also need an 8 in this row. It's got to go here. I'm typing all the wrong digits today. This column needs 1, 2, 6, and 9. So this is a 1, 6 pair, and this is a 9 pair. I don't think we can resolve those yet. These have to be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the only place for a 1. It's like the 8 up here. And neither of these can be 2, so this is the 2, 3, 4, 3. Still need an 8 in this row as well. So this is a 1, 2, 9, 5, 6. This is 2, 3, 9. That must be the 2. This column now needs a 1 and 6, which have to go in these cells because of the 1, 6 here. And then 7 and 9. These are 3 and 4. Still need a 7 in this box. We already knew those were 1 and 6. 1 and 6 here means this must be naked now. This is a 4. 3 to finish the box. This can't be a 6, so that resolves our 1 6s. 4, 6, 7 here. 4, 7, 6. These are 7, 8, 9. Can't do those yet. These are 5, 8, 9. These were 3, 9, and also need a 4 in the column. No. 1 now is placed. That resolves the 2, 9 here. What are we missing? These are 5, 6, and 8. It's a chocolate teapot. These are 5, 6. What about this row? This sees 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6. This must be a 9. These are 4, 5, 7, 8. 7, 8 there. This is a 4 from these. And this is a 5 from the 7, 8 here. That's going to resolve our 6 and 5 here. That makes this 8, 6. 4, 9. 3, 9 is resolved. That means this is a 3. 2, 1. Now we need a 5, 7, 8, 9, and 8. Why am I blanking 7? That's the solution. So a nice clean solve there. Spotting the naked singles is very helpful in this puzzle. There are some things you can do, like the 7s you place here. I didn't try and solve it just with hidden singles, so I don't know if you need the naked singles, but certainly helped get me started. So the second puzzle, we don't fight at weddings. This one does have a lot of hidden singles to start with. So we've got ones looking into this box, one must go there. Sixes, 6 must go there. Sevens aren't quite resolved. There's a 7 in one of those, but there is an 8 here from these 8s. 8 here must go here, again from that 8. 6s, place a 6 there, and then there. And then here, that's a 6. How many 6s do we got? Almost all of them. That's a 6. So that's the 6s done. About 8s. Quite a few 8s. So 8 here. 8 must go here, so that's going to place 8 and 8. I think this is a better way of looking at the puzzle than what I did when I actually solved it. 3 goes here. 7 now must go in these cells, so it's a 4-9 pair. 1, 2, 5 here. 4, 5, and 9. Uh, 5 must go here now. Five's in one of these cells, so it's in one of these. And here, it must be in one of these cells. So the only place for 5 in this box is here. We've still... Actually, no. Where does 5 go in this row? There's 5 there, there, and there. The other way we could have seen that, in this box, 5 is limited to these cells. Here it's limited to these cells. So we know the 5 in these boxes appear in row 7 and 9. So 5 must go in one of these cells. I think the remaining 5s are still unresolved though. Let's see. Naked single here. This must be the 9, 4, 9. That. These are 2, 3, 7. Neither of these can be 3. It's 2, 7. That leaves 4 here. Quite a few 4s now. I don't think they're fixed yet. These are 1, 2, 5 still. Not resolved. Seven. This has been here since we placed that 6. So 7 goes there. Three now must go in this cell. And here and here. Should be all the 3s. These are 2, 4, 9. Neither of these can be 2. And this must be the 1. Now that we've got most of this row filled. This is 9 and 4. These are 2, 7. And this sees 2, 7. This must be 9 in this box. These are also 2, 7, 9. These are 1, 4. So 2's down here, 1's up here, 5's over here, and 9's over here. So big chocolate. What am I missing? 4, 9 here. This is a 5. There's 4 and 9. Could have seen that from just the 4s up that. That's 5. This is a 5 now. And that means this must be the 2. This is a 1-9 pair. 2-7 pair. These are 1-2. These are 4-7-9. And you can see I'm struggling more to find the next deduction in this one. For whatever reason. It's probably obvious at this point, but I'm not seeing. Let's look at 1s again. 1 is in these cells. Okay, so it's not in these cells. This one in particular. 1 must go here. I'm not sure if there's a cleaner way to see that, really. This must be 1 now, and that's going to give us a 2 here. So we'll make that 7-2-7. So 2-9 pair, this is 4. This is 4 now, 7-9 pair, 2-9 pair. So this is 9, which I could have seen from the row. This is 2. So 2, 9, 9, 7. These are 1-7. These are 1-9. These are 2-7. The 2 down here resolves that. 7-1, 1, and 9. That's the solution. So again, it took me about 2 minutes longer. So I'd be curious how you did on these. Let us know in the comments. Let us know which one you found more natural for your solving. Yeah, really curious about that. But that's all. I will see you next time.